Chubby,
What?
come here, quick.
What?
You seen this story about this dog that got arrested for barking at a cop, and then there was a public outcry and everyone wanted to free him?
So who gives a fuck?
Have a look at the teddy. What does that remind you of?
I don't know. It's like a fucking dog to me, and a stupid looking one at that.
Looks like you!
Oh, fuck off!
Yeah, his name is Bungle, and you're the bastard love child of Bungle, so
Fuck off!
looks just like you.
Fuck it does!
Ah, hello, Bungle. Hello.
Fuck you!
Who's a good little doggy? You want to go and play fetch?
Do you want to fucking smash your fucking face in, you cunt?
Ah, Bungle.
You fucking prick.
You've been arrested loads of times too for being drunk.
I'm gonna get arrested for fucking murder in a fucking minute.
Oh, you look like a dog. You look like a dog.
You look like a fucking little bitch.
Bad boy. You won't get your ball to play with.
Seriously, I mean it. I'm gonna fucking kill you and put it on the fucking internet. Cunt.